Hello guys, kain tayo dito sa kimbab. Yan, ang sarap. Yan, sila yung mga owner. Oh, ilikot ko lang yung video, okay lang. Sila yung owner. Oh, mag-hi ka, hi. This is vlog. This is my vlog.
Your vlog?
Yeah. My YouTube channel. They're the owner of this restaurant. Yeah, from Korea. Hi, sir. What's your name, sir?
Jihoon Lee.
Jihoon Lee and her wife.
Jihoon Lee.
Sis, kaway-kaway ka naman dyan, sis. Kaway-kaway. Yan.
Annyeong.
Yeah, anyong nga sa'yo.
Annyeong.
Yan. Yeah. He's the owner. He's very nice and good. And very...
Thank you.
Yeah. They're the one who made this. Yeah. This one, yeah. I will invite you all. I will invite you all to eat here in Kimbab. Bob Kimbab. Yeah. Very nice. Located here in Sindalan, Maligaya, beside Fresh Option. And yes, this is yummy. I like this. The little store here in Kimbab. Hi, mag-hi kayo. Okay. Oh, 'di ba ang bait nila? Mabait na, maganda na, pogi pa. Oh, saka. Tapos may binibenta din sila dito ng mga ganyan. Ang sarap talaga, promise. Ang sarap. Pwede kayo mag-birthday dito. Yan, ito yung price. Yan. Ang mura. Sobra. Kumain din kami sa SM ng Kimbab, pero ito mas masarap para sa akin. Ayan o. Ayan. Ito, 180. Hindi ko maubos. Ang dami, pero masarap talaga. Good for 2. Ito, 100 pesos lang yan. And then, ito, 180. Good for 2. Ayan, ang laki oh. So, meron pa sila binibenta ng mga ano, yan. Bili kayo ha. No, hi. O, sige, mag-buy na kayo.
Hi, bye-bye.
Ayan. Ang bait oh, ang bait ng owner na Korean yan. O yan, kakain kayo dito lahat ha. Okay. Ayan, meron na naman tayong client. Ayan, may client na naman. Ayan, okay. Thank you. O, sir. Tingin, sir. Tingin.
Thank you po.
Thank you.